Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to let you see about how to make slime. So yeah, and today I am going to show you how to make slime. So the first thing you need is Dove shampoo, Colgate toothpaste, bowl, and mixing tip. Using it, you're gonna see it here. So the first you need, just put in your Dove shampoo. Then we're gonna put some of these in. So I've put some of the Dove shampoo in. Now that is this. And I've put in the toothpaste like on the top. Yeah, it depends how much of the shampoo you use a bit. So just use a bit of the toothpaste. So you are going to use your mixing tool to mix it. So yeah. And it doesn't just makes it all, so I'm just gonna put that one. So I use a plastic spoon. Just mix it all up. And it very small second. So this is how it looks after I mix. Then yes, and then I'm gonna put a bit more. I'm done, so just gonna mix it up. Okay, just gonna mix it up. this some on top. Just mix it up. You will just look like this, and it will not make into slime. So if you want to add your food coloring, that is fine, but it will not into slime. So yeah, but after that, that is also into slime. Okay, so the way is putting this into your fridge for 4 days. So I'll continue in the next video, but I will show another slime that I just delete the video. So yeah. And guys, this is the one I made. It still didn't make this slime. It's so perfect, this one. So I'm just gonna tell you. So first you need this egg and this soup. After that, just gonna mix these two things up. But guys, remember just egg whites. You don't want egg yolk. So just mix it up. And after mixing, it's so good. And remember, every hour mix it bit so the slime big get. And put your slime into the refrigerator and you see how. So guys, my video will end here, but I will give a bit of the giveaway today. And the giveaway with this set. So this set, this I have 2 package. So this is my package here. It's the same. So first is this one, the brightening pore sesame. You can see. And another one is this one, the brightening pore skin. Is this skin in this set. So it's a look different. And this is like that one. This is green, and this is the skin. Skin is like that. It's like the and then again, this is for the brightening pore primary cream. This cream. So yeah, this is my giveaway today. So before I end this video, guys, remember to subscribe, press the notification button, and press the like so that you can see more of my videos. Because yeah, yes, so if give you guys the giveaway, if you guys just do what just now I said, subscribe, press the notification button, and press the like, and don't forget to share to your friends. And if you're lucky, if this is a lucky day, you can get the giveaway, and it's so good. And you maybe say, and what's this? This like make the coffee, but no, I just use to make slime. And guys, thanks for watching my video.